This past year of healing, learning, and growth has been absolutely transformational for me. And I know it never ends, but I had to share something today that has been really helpful in my own transformation and healing journey. You've all heard me talk about this before, how much the power of our words, what we say, focus on, watch, yes, even on these reels on social media, and what we're telling God and the universe, whatever you call your higher power, that's what we want more of, the things that we focus on and watch. And if you're talking about someone, you're literally talking about yourself, because the universe doesn't really know the difference between you talking about someone else or talking about yourself. It's all a mirror. We're all the same. This is why I believe we're not to judge others, because I believe that we're just talking about ourselves. Because what you're really saying, you're just saying out loud to the universe, is that you're saying it about yourself. And whatever you're saying, you're telling the universe you want more of. So we're to be careful with our words. And if you're constantly talking about being in pain or your ailments, that's what you're always focused on, right? And that's what you're telling the universe to bring you more of. And if you want to make a change, then you just need to change your focus. One of the first things that I have my clients create in my coaching program is a very clear vision for their future, super detailed. And I have them read that out loud every single day as if they're living in that vision right now. So there is no mistake, no question on what they're creating in their life. And they're also taking steps towards that vision, which is making a statement and telling the universe, this is what I really want. Then they watch as the universe starts making room in their life and sending help and closing or opening doors to make that vision come true for them. And typically it's creating something even better than they could have even imagined themselves, because our Creator wants the absolute best for us. And many times my clients get a little afraid when things start changing around them, because I have to remind them that this is what they asked for, right? When they ask for that, they ask for change. The universe has to make changes, right, in your life in order for those things to happen. And sometimes that can be scary, yes, but we can do things scared sometimes. We all came here to this earth to learn something. We did. Was it to come and do exactly what you're doing right now? Maybe. But what you're telling the universe that you want, you have to believe that whatever is happening in your life is for your highest and greatest good. Even when it feels like it's the worst thing ever happening, it absolutely is the best thing that could be happening for you. So I'm going to challenge you for the next month. Every time something happens to you and you're telling yourself, I can't believe this is happening to me, I want you to flip that. And I want you to tell yourself, this is happening for me. Because the truth is, it absolutely is happening for you. Even if you were to fall flat on your face, get in an accident, miss a turn off an exit, don't get the job, find yourself feeling alone, tell yourself it happened for a reason, right? There's a reason this is happening. If you look around and be still for a bit, sometimes you'll understand the reason that happened. Sometimes it's not always the message that you want to hear, but it will always be for your highest and greatest good. You have to believe that. It took me quite a while to finally do this, and once I did, once I threw my hands up to the universe and said, I trust that you got me, that's when the magic started happening. I knew that I could trust. I know that may sound easier than done, but when you do it, life becomes so much easier, and you can relax knowing that you're just so much more powerful than any circumstance, situation, or condition that you're telling yourself that is happening to you, because the truth is it's happening for you in order to get you exactly where you're asking to be in this life. The question is, are you being clear with your vision for your future? Or are you just living your life by the default and letting the universe give you whatever you're focusing on autopilot without too much conscious planning? The choice is yours.